In today's threat landscape, the biggest challenge during recovery isn't just restoring data, it's making sure it's clean, uncompromised, and safe to use. And when it comes to virtual machines, recovery becomes even more complex. It's not just files and folders at stake. You're dealing with entire operating systems, application states, configuration files, and potentially embedded threats. Druva Recovery Intelligence isn't just about putting a VM back online, it's about making sure it's the right restore point. With integrated threat intelligence, anomaly detection, and AV scan results surfaced in real time, you can restore with clarity, not guesswork. Within each virtual machine's backup tab, you'll find two restore paths: operational recovery and cyber recovery. Operational recovery handles traditional restores, quickly rolling back a VM to a previous snapshot for day-to-day needs. Cyber recovery is where recovery intelligence begins. Here, every recovery point is analyzed for signs of compromise, like unusual file activity, encryption, known IOCs, or flagged threats. Snapshots are clearly marked using color-coded indicators, making it easy for you to distinguish safe recovery points from those that may be risky or require further investigation. When it's time to recover, Cyber Restore offers flexible options. Restore the full VM, individual disks, or even specific files, all from clean, validated snapshots. For added assurance, use Sandbox Recovery to test in isolation. The VM is restored in a secure Sandbox environment, and you can even disconnect the network interface to prevent any accidental connection to your production systems. From there, Druva performs an integrated antivirus and hash-based scan to identify known threats before anything is put back into your environment. You can also choose to delete malicious files automatically after scanning. Just be cautious, as removing files may impact the OS or app stability. Switch to the Trends tab for a broader security view. Here, 30-day charts highlight risk patterns, showing spikes in encrypted files, quarantine snapshots, or unusual file changes that could signal ransomware activity. With Recovery Intelligence, your VM restores are no longer blind decisions. You get built-in threat context, forensic visibility, and anomaly detection right where you need it, in the recovery workflow. Combined with proactive threat hunting, this end-to-end visibility allows you to detect faster, investigate smarter, and most importantly, restore with confidence. Find out more at druva.com.